Polynomials. After watching this video, I will be able to multiply a monomial with a polynomial, then combine any like terms. By now you should have watched the 2 previous videos on polynomials because this section is basically taking the 2 and combining it into one problem. So first I will multiply my monomials and then I will combine any like terms. So I'm going to take my negative 2m and distribute into the 4 and into the 10m. So negative 2 times 4 gives me negative 8. There is no other m to multiply with, so I just keep m. Then negative 2 times negative 10 gives me positive 20. And then I have 2 m's, so we add exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. And now I'm going to do the same thing, but I need to be very careful because this is not just 6. This is negative 6m. That's going to go into the negative 10 and then into the negative 9m. So negative 6 times negative 10 is a positive 60. There is no other m, so I just keep the m that's with the 6. And then negative 6 times negative 9 is a positive 54. M times m, keep the base, add the exponent, so 1 plus 1 is 2. After you multiply, we want to combine any like terms. So we have m, and then we have m squared and m squared. So you want to write it in standard form, meaning highest exponent goes first. So 20 plus 54 is going to give you 74 m squared. And then negative 8 plus 60 is going to give me a positive 52 m. This would be my simplified answer. Now you try. Multiply and then combine like terms. So we want to distribute the negative 4n into the 1 and into the negative n. And then we want to distribute the negative 3 into the 5 and then the negative 3 into the 9. So when I do that distribution, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4n. Then negative 4 times negative 1 gives me a positive 4. And then our n's are being multiplied, so that means we add exponents. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we do negative 3 times 5. That gives me negative 15. There is no other n, so I just bring it along for the ride. And then negative 3 times negative 9 is a positive 27. There are no n's. So now I'm going to write in standard form and combine like terms. So the only like terms are that negative 4n and that negative 15. Everything else, I just need to rewrite it so that it's in standard form. So my bigger exponent is n squared, so that goes first, 4n squared. Then I'm going to combine like terms. So I have this negative 4, negative 15 gives me negative 19n. And then the 27, just bring it down. So my correct answer would have been C. However, it's not written in standard form. So just know that my answer and the answer C means exactly the same thing. It just wasn't written in standard form.